2026 Yamaha Star Eluder, best new V-twin bagger that blends power and luxury cruiser motorcycles. The Yamaha Star Eluder has long been recognized as one of the most distinctive full-dress baggers in the touring motorcycle market, combining bold style with practical comfort. While Yamaha has yet to release full details for the 2026 model year, expectations are high that the bike will retain the qualities that made it a standout in previous years while introducing minor refinements to keep it competitive in a growing segment. (2026 Yamaha Star Eluder engine and performance). At the heart of the Star Eluder is its powerful 1854 cubic centimeters, 113 CI air-cooled V-twin engine, configured at 48 degrees for that unmistakable low-end rumble and abundant torque. This motor is known for its durability and smooth delivery, aided by hydraulic lash adjusters, twin counterbalancers, and isoelastic mounts to minimize vibration on long rides. Riders can expect Yamaha's throttle-by-wire system paired with D-mode, offering touring and sport modes to tailor the throttle response to riding conditions. A 6-speed transmission with belt final drive ensures smooth cruising, while the assist and slipper clutch makes gear changes light and controlled. (2026 Yamaha Star Eluder touring comfort and key features). The Star Eluder's mission has always been long-distance comfort without sacrificing rider engagement. Previous models featured a low 27.6-inch seat height for easy ground reach, heated seating for cooler rides, and an advanced infotainment system with a large color touchscreen, analog gauges, voice control, and intuitive handlebar controls. Riders can expect these elements to carry forward into the 2026 version, along with unified ABS braking, traction control, and possibly updated connectivity features. Touring practicality is further enhanced by integrated saddlebags, weather protection from the sculpted fairing, and optional heated grips for all-season capability. (2026 Yamaha Star Eluder specifications). Recent versions of the Star Eluder offered a generous 6.6-gallon fuel tank, giving riders a comfortable 200-mile range between fill-ups, ideal for cross-country runs. Wet weight was around 875 pounds, keeping it slightly lighter than Yamaha's fully equipped Venture touring model. The combination of a relaxed riding position, ample wind protection, and storage capacity makes it an excellent choice for riders who want both comfort and style in a long-haul motorcycle. (2026 Yamaha Star Eluder pricing outlook). When it was first introduced, the Star Eluder had a base MSRP of $22,499, with the GT package adding features such as GPS navigation, Sirius XM radio, a CB radio, and a security system priced at $23,999. Taking into account typical inflation and modest updates, the 2026 Star Eluder will likely land in the $24,000 to $26,000 range for the base model, while a fully equipped variant could approach $27,000 to $28,000. If Yamaha continues with its proven formula, the 2026 Star Eluder will remain a compelling choice for riders who appreciate a big twin touring machine with a modern touch. Its combination of V-twin muscle, long-distance comfort, and rider-focused technology should keep it in the conversation alongside rivals like the Indian Chieftain and Harley-Davidson Street Glide. The real question for 2026 will be how Yamaha evolves the styling and electronics to meet the demands of today's tech-savvy touring rider.